Local government is considered as the sphere of government that is closest to the people. In Seychelles, the Constitution of the Third Republic made provisions for the division of our territory into 26 electoral districts, each with a population ranging from 2 to 4,000 inhabitants. Each of these districts is headed by a district administrator who operates under the directives of the central government. One of the core functions of the district administration is to oversee and ensure the effective implementation of government policies, strategies and plans at the local level. For ECCE, this means ensuring that the approximately 7,200 boys and 7,000 girls below 8 years old and their families do have access to quality local services and programs that will optimize all aspects of their development and their well-being and that of their families. Discharging this responsibility, of course, brings along a myriad string of challenges that are to some extent tackled using a team approach facilitated by the district team.
The district team, which is an action-oriented body comprising of representatives of all ministries, departments, agencies that have a direct input in the local development of the local communities, was formally set up in 2006. The formation of this structure at local level is to ensure the collaborative actions of all parties in undertaking community development work, thus promoting the common approach concept to local development. In fact, they are the custodian of what we call the common agenda, in other words, the formulation, implementation of the local action plan. In regards to early childhood development, this structure could or should be seriously considered. Looking at its composition, we see the presence of the head teacher, the social worker, the regional health nurse. Thus, this structure can play a direct role in the livelihood of a young child. For example, at birth, provision of good living conditions, good education, supported them socially and economically, whilst complemented by the community involvement, instilling them the best values, thus avoiding them to be influenced by the negatives outside. At the end, a wholesome child.
Being a community leader, it is important for us to establish partnership with different entities and organizations that have the children, small children at heart. For example, the National Library has a program of decentralization whereby they have the reading centers at community levels in certain districts. And we also have a special corner for the small children that we can start pre-learning activities with them. We also focus on the well-being of our small children, whereby we work in close partnership with social officers that are currently at district level. And also we have the schools that, and the daycare center in 2017, whereby we introduced the program Learn and Play, where we got the children in the age group from daycare up to P2, about 7 to 8 years old, whereby we organized activities that will teach them different areas of life. We have the public health, the PUC, SPTC, SLTA, the police, the social affairs, the district itself, and also the schools, whereby we brought them together and we organize activities for them.
The District Small Community Projects is an initiative of the government of Seychelles. Its main objective is to undertake a series of small projects at community level so as to ensure continuous improvement of community life. All of the small projects are financed by the government of Seychelles under the Capital Project Fund. The overall responsibility of the department is for the coordination, application, and implementation of the projects. All the district small projects are implemented in conjunction with each district plans, outlining areas needing priority attention based on demands from local communities. In relation to ECCE, the department, in liaison with the district, we construct and maintain government-owned daycare centers. We also construct footpath, bridges, feeder roads to ensure safety for small children to and from school, and of course the working parents. In the event of an incident, example house fire, landslide, the DA, the district administrator, is the first responder to assist children and their families.
After almost 12 years in existence, the department evaluated the district team to appraise its merits and relevance in the process of local governance and community development. The evaluation took 4 months, gathering information from focus group discussions with district administrators and members of district teams, direct observation of district team meetings, and semi-structured interviews of senior officers in the secretariat. The evaluation has revealed that district team has encouraged sharing of best practices and resources, has broadened knowledge and understanding of district, and has facilitated the development of projects. However, there were frequent changes in membership. Some members were unable to take immediate decisions, and there was a shortage of staff that hinders the decision-making processes. The evaluation, therefore, recommended a review of the term of reference of the structure, and that members are empowered, and that there is an interagency committee that is established and comprised by principal secretaries and chief executive officers of the sectors involved. It is fair to state that there exists at the district level a good system that could facilitate the decentralization of services and projects that would and should have a positive impact on the lives of our young children, their families, and their spaces. Wouldn't it be nice, excellent maybe, if all districts had a database of all the children in its area, a system that may flag areas of concerns, and a proficient team of service providers who are alerted and are able to develop timely responses to these concerns? It is indeed a winning start for all that we are aiming for, a start that should be supported and nurtured by all of you, us, and everyone else who is a partner in early childhood care and education in Seychelles.
Through this structure, we can continue to build stronger evidence-based information data about the child-serving programs. And in line with this year's conference theme, Big Data for Small Children, use those data to better monitor, evaluate program outcomes, not just service delivery, which will substantially improve the positive development. If we put in work and the heart at the community level for our children, we're working to give them the foundation for a better future. This structure is there, therefore, to work together, to unify, engage, and build these connections around the entire country through our local communities, whilst remaining fully focused on one community, one child at a time.